Welcome back to Roam Tips. If you enjoy this type of content, be sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using Reddit advertising. Advertising on Reddit can be a powerful way to reach a highly engaged audience. Reddit offers a variety of advertising options, allowing you to target specific subreddits and user interests. The platform boasts a diverse user base, making it possible to connect with potential customers across various demographics. One of the key benefits of Reddit advertising is the ability to tailor your message to specific communities. This targeted approach can lead to higher engagement and conversion rates compared to broader advertising platforms. Utilizing Reddit's advertising platform provides an opportunity to engage directly with potential customers in a more conversational manner. This can help build brand awareness and foster a sense of community around your product or service. Reddit's unique upvote and downvote system also provides valuable feedback on the effectiveness of your advertising campaigns. By analyzing user responses, you can refine your messaging and targeting to maximize your ROI. However, it's important to understand the nuances of each subreddit before launching a campaign. Each community has its own specific rules and etiquette, and failing to adhere to these can result in your ads being poorly received. Successful Reddit advertising requires a thoughtful and strategic approach. It's essential to research your target audience, craft compelling ad copy, and carefully select the subreddits where you'll promote your content. While Reddit advertising can be highly effective, it's crucial to remember that it's just one piece of the puzzle. A comprehensive marketing strategy should incorporate a variety of channels and tactics to reach the widest possible audience. For example, combining Reddit advertising with other social media platforms, email marketing, and content creation can create a synergistic effect that amplifies your overall marketing efforts. Furthermore, continuous monitoring and optimization are crucial for maximizing your results. Regularly analyzing your campaign performance and making adjustments based on data insights can significantly improve your ROI over time. By understanding the platform's dynamics and tailoring your approach accordingly, you can leverage Reddit's unique community-driven environment to connect with your target audience and achieve your marketing objectives.